In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page border in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to give your documents a polished, finished look, adding a border can be the perfect touch. Fortunately, Google Docs offers a simple way to add borders using its drawing tool, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the document to which you'd like to add a border. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Drawing and then choose New. This will open up a drawing window, giving us a blank canvas to work with. Now within this drawing window, look at the top of the interface for an icon that resembles a circle overlapping a square. This is the shape icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the rectangle shape. This selection will allow us to create the border. With the rectangle shape ready to go, click and hold your mouse button to drag and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Aim to fill the canvas as much as possible, as this shape will act as our page border. Once you're satisfied with the rectangle's placement, it's time to ensure that any text on your page will be visible through the border you've created. To do this, look for the fill color icon, which resembles a paint bucket. Click on it and select Transparent. This will remove any solid fill from the rectangle, leaving just the border around your page, which allows the text to show through. Now let's move on to customizing the border itself. You can adjust its appearance using three icons at the top of the drawing window: the border color, border weight, and border dash icons. The border color icon, shaped like a pencil, lets you choose the color of the border. The border weight icon helps you set the thickness of the line, and the border dash icon allows you to choose between a solid line or various dashed styles. Feel free to get creative here. Once you're happy with the customization, it's time to finalize the drawing. Click on Save and Close at the top right of the drawing window. This action will place your newly created drawing directly into your document as an image. Next, click on the border to select it. When you do this, look for the Image Options button presented as three vertical dots. Clicking on this button gives you additional settings. Choose the Behind Text option, and this will allow your border to sit behind any text you have on the page, making for a seamless look. Finally, to ensure the border fits perfectly, grab one of the corner handles of the inserted border and stretch it to align with the edges of your page. And there you have it. You've successfully added a page border to your Google Doc, enhancing both its presentation and professionalism. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.